Hello everyone, I would like to welcome you to the Global Ascent website. My name is Michael Williams and I'm part of the branding team, and today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to get your tokens. Now it's going to be important to have an account with Coinbase or either BitPay. In this example we're going to be using Coinbase because you have to have something in your wallet. It's going to take a minimum of $10 to get involved. That's just to get into, make sure you're on the network. So let's get started. Here on the front page, we're going to buy some tokens. Say buy tokens now. And then it's going to bring up your GAT token page. And you're going to go down here to buy GAT token now. Takes a few seconds. Then it's going to bring you to the registration page. Here you put in all your information. Username, I've already have an account, so it's probably going to pop up. Put all your information in. This is a private network, so okay, there it is, popped up. Put your password in, create a password. Like I said, I already have one. Then click the I am not a robot. I'm already registered, so you will hit register if it's your first time. Here, I'm going to hit log in. Okay, here's the page we want right here. Now here you're going to put in your phone number. Okay, and here you hit this process to deposit. Now you're gonna have to have at least $10 in your Coinbase account. But right here you would copy this link right here, copy, or you use that QR code. Then you go to Coinbase and you go to accounts. Once you go to accounts, you will hit send. They say you must already have at least $10 in your account. There will be some fees, and you just paste that address there, and like I said, the minimum is $10, and hit there, and it's going to do a two-part verification. I just got my code. Let's see here. It's going to come on your phone. That's why they get your phone number, because it's a two-part verification. Get my code and put it in here. It's going to its code doesn't last that long, so you have to go ahead and put it in. You can't wait. All right. Confirm. Code is invalid. Please dismiss and try again. I must put in the wrong number. 768. 76. Okay, yeah, I put in the wrong code. Put in the other number. 038 1750 1750. Like I said, these numbers change. They're going to change, so you don't have to worry about anybody getting it. All right, there you go. Transaction is on its way. Now I have $10 worth of GAT tokens, and I can transact within the ecosystem. Whenever you want to get more tokens, you either do it this way or start transacting your tokens within the network to gain more tokens. And that's how you register your tokens. And it's pending. It probably take about 20 for probably a few hours. It may take 24 hours, but you have just bought your first GAT tokens. And welcome to the network. We're looking forward to working with our black businesses and the black community, the global black community, to build this ecosystem. My name is Michael Williams, and once again, I would like to welcome you to the SABLEASSENT network, the GAT token, which is the Global Ascent token. We are looking forward to working with all our businesses and growing this community to create the wealth that we deserve in the black community. If you have any questions, go to SABLEASSENT.com, and there's also a number that you can call to help you with any issues you may have on the website. But this is Michael Williams with the branding team. On behalf of everybody here at SABLEASSENT, we would like to welcome you to the family and welcome you to creating wealth, global wealth for the black community. See you guys inside.